Hi everyone, here we've got NOKIA G10 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Now let's tap on Advanced, and right here we've got reset options, so let's enter, and in the middle we've got reset up preferences, so let's tap. Right now your device is telling you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so if you're ready, just tap on Reset Apps. And actually that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your NOKIA G10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.